tooth. Looks like the rain is stopping, at least for now. That might be all of it for the day, which would actually be perfect. But I don't mind if it rains one way or the other. Might not do much with the tripod today if we find some really good stuff, because it's, for right now anyway, it's just way too wet for me to be handling my camera. I'm just going to be, my camera phone, be getting too much mud and water, and yeah, so probably just be the GoPro today. But if we do find anything cool, I'll be sure and get some really good pictures of it. Came up on the first interesting, probably artifact related thing. Might just be a flake, I think. Yep. A little worked flake. Probably a little bit hard to tell on camera with as wet as it is, but yeah. Probably serrated up here on that edge. It's mostly cortex though. I think we got a fossil right here in the middle of the screen. I'll come in slowly and tell me when you spot it. See it yet? A little crinoid. Cool. I think we got another fossil here, and it looks like a belemnite, one of those fossilized squid heads. Yes, I believe so. Yep. Wow. Yeah, that's a squid's head. Fossilized. Probably would have been another kind of a fossilized shell on the outside of this. That's a bit smoother looking, but this is the inside, kind of like the core, or one of the cores. I don't know if that's the proper terminology, that's just how I'm describing it. Cool. Oh, nice little jar. Probably keep that. I might have something here. Yeah. It looks like it's been worked on a little bit. Maybe it was getting knocked into a basic shape of something. We'll leave it for somebody else. Alright, that's gonna make the second or third tooth of the day. I don't film all of them when I find them. Pretty common find out there. And I like them. I never really get tired of finding them. I always get excited when I see one. I see something cool. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Wish you could all feel this. How smooth it is. I'm kind of making more of a mess of it. Some kind of flake tool there. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's go wash it off real quick. That is just pleasing to look at and to touch. I'm gonna guess that was some kind of heat-treated material. maybe jasper or something. Sorry for the wind noise, trying to do a little bit of narration where it's out of hand, but yeah, I'll show you some close-ups of this at the end of this video. This thing is just, it's almost soft to the touch. It's so smooth it's soft. I'll take it. Alright, so that little scraper or flake tool or whatever that is I found in the previous clip, I had just walked back from the water from washing it off, and when I came back I spotted this little guy right here. Look. I don't know if you heard that or not, but I said it's a piece of horn coral, and that's what it is. And it's pretty cool. Yes. Alright, we got two things of interest here, something right there, and something back that way. Not sure if either are going to be anything at all. That's going to be a no. We might have a piece of Mastodon tooth enamel right here. This looks good, actually. Yes. I'm getting better at spotting this stuff, I think. That's exactly what that is. That's some enamel off of a Mastodon or mammoth tooth. Cool. Well, I just spotted something here, and I told myself, you know what, you should film that before you try to pick it up. And then I said, no, it's nothing. And then I picked it up and it's something. So I've already picked this up very briefly. I just put it right back down though. We've got a little pooter here. Don't know what kind. But yeah. Again, stick around to the end of the video. I'll put up some pictures of the artifact type stuff I find. That's really cool though. I'm on the board with an arrowhead. Yes! I see another one of these guys. You know, I know some of you have tried to help me out on these, but I haven't really gotten the same answer from anybody, and I'm still not really sure what they are. Alright, I stopped and was having a little snack here, a little breather next to the artifact yak, and I was sliding my backpack back underneath. I was getting ready to start hunting again. When I did, I spotted a tiny little crinoid. Cool. Alright, let's get back to the hunt. I saw something that I thought was a piece of plastic right there, and I flipped it, and it's not plastic. It is in fact a beautiful flake blade. Strange, but beautiful nonetheless. Wow. This top side looks like the business end to me. That's very sharp. Great little find. I love flake blades. I like them a lot. Alright, I just found another piece of Mastodon tooth. One of the outside edge of one of the cones. Neat. Look at that guy. Please don't be broken. Oh, nice. Yes. Oh, that's awesome. I don't see any embossing. Just a blank cork top, but I'll take that. That looks like it's kind of old. Well, I mean, the cork tops are all old, but this one looks like maybe, I don't know. Oh wait, this is embossed. By the way, this bank that I just walked over to looks really good for arrowheads. Groves, tasteless, something tonic, prepared by Paris Medicine Company, St. Louis. Wow! That's so cool. That's a nice one. A little bit of milk glass there. I don't even think it's got a chip in it. Probably keep that. All right, it's starting to rain pretty hard. Feels good, but I might as well take a bath because I've got my loofah sponge with me here, so I'm gonna get cleaned up. I can practically hear your groaning at my terrible humor. Anyway, man, I usually don't find this many bottles out there. Not in one day, anyway. You know, if I find one good one, that's a good day, but I was having a pretty good time with them. Very good day for the bottles. Nice little amber there, cork top. I'm not sure what would have been in this one. Iodine or some kind of medicine or cleaning fluid. I don't know. I didn't really look this one up. It's got a pretty clear maker's mark on the bottom, but it's a really common maker's mark, so probably wouldn't be hard to research. I don't know what it would have been for, but I'd guess somewhere between the 20s and 40s, age-wise. Yes, boy, that's beautiful. Okay, guys, I needed this. Well, I wanted it anyway. You're looking at an arrowhead right here. I don't know if it's broken or not. I can see about 3/4 of it, and it looks beautiful. It looks immaculate, but there's a rock laying on top of it. Do you see it yet? It's gray. It's about in the middle of your screen. And whether it's broken or not, I'm not too concerned. I'm just happy to find something good. I suppose you see it now. Whew, okay. Here's the big reveal. Oh, it's longer than I thought it was gonna be. Still don't know yet. Big question is the tip there? I think it's gonna be. Yes. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Super thin. We're right next to the water. Let's wash this off. I was just about at give up time. My neck is killing me from looking down. Been walking a long time. I don't even know what time it is. I've been walking several hours for sure. Persistence has paid off. Would you look at that? Wow. Once again, if you want to, stick around at the end of the video, and I'm gonna put in some either some pictures or just a good tripod shot when I get home of some close-ups of my stuff that I found today, my artifacts. Look at that. what kind that is. Have some maybe just a tiniest little chip on that ear. And possibly, no, I think there could be just a tiny little chip off the tip there, but I'm gonna go ahead and call that one 100%. That's about as 100% as they get. So thin. That's gonna make a good stopping point for the day. I want to go home and get a little bit of rest before the work week starts tomorrow. But I'm gonna hunt my way back to the artifact yak. I got probably a couple 100 yards from it, so we'll be out here for another few minutes anyway, hunting our way back. I'll turn the camera on if we find anything. If I don't turn the camera on, that means we didn't find anything. Oh, I found something. Yes, a crinoid. That worked out well. I stood back up and I just turned the camera off and I spotted this down on the ground. Just a nice big chip, chunk, flake, whatever you want to call it. I found a few other flakes today, I just haven't really been filming them. There's the shadow. He's been a little shy the last couple hunts, but he's peeking his head out every once in a while now. I think I see a big piece of coral. Yes. That's a nice big piece. It's like a Cheeto. A cheesy poof. Still making my way out, and I think I got something again. Yes, I do. Tip or base of something? I'm not sure. I guess it could go either way. I'm gonna guess the tip of something. I'm not 100% sure on this one, ladies and gents. I'm assuming some kind of fossil, but just not sure. Let me know what you think in the comments. Alright, so that ended up being more like 2 hours walking back to the kayak because I slow hunted the whole way because I'm insane. Thanks for watching, everybody. It's been a great weekend. I hope everybody else has had a good weekend and found a lot of cool stuff or just had fun. Also wanted to give a shout out to my mom real quick for getting me this waterproof bag. That was perfect. It was my first time to use that today, Mom. And it worked out great. I was able to keep my wallet, my cell phone, keys, a few other things in there nice, safe, and dry. And it did keep everything dry. I got rained on several times pretty hard, got soaked all the way through a couple times today, so that stayed dry though. Thank you. Alright, so real quick, as promised here, I'll show you up close. There's that first pooter I found. Nothing too spectacular, but pretty cool. I'll put it in the display. Here's that little flake tool. I can't get over how this feels. I wish this was in feel-o-vision. This thing is really cool. Here was at the very end there, close to the end of the video here, some kind of point or blade or tool, I'm not sure really. It's definitely a thing. I mean, I'm pretty happy with this. Look at that. Not really sure what type this is. Just some kind of corner notch, I guess. Thanks again for watching, everybody.
Oh, watch the merchandise there, buddy. She.